It's a pretty summer afternoon. Definitely a normal day. The protagonist, that is I, decides to prepare some files in a pen drive just to go to a printout shop or somewhere like that. So the protagonist takes the pen drive over to the USB port, plugs it in, heads over to the file app, and to his shock finds that where is it? What happened to the pen drive? Well, don't worry about that because this video is gonna teach you about troubleshooting of how to make this poor pen drive get recognized by this computer. Oh no, let's get started before something happens. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you a new tutorial, a troubleshooting tutorial to see if this pen drive like this one here, and we're gonna show learn how to make the computer recognize it. So right now I go into Windows Explorer. I'm gonna plug this thing here. I'm up, and as you can see, it's not showing up. What do we do? So here's what we do. Let's go to search bar, click an option which says change disk system and storage and the disks and volumes. Let me just lift the camera up, and then we go here. SanDisk user blade, the one that says no label here. Click properties, and you can see there's no drive assigned to that pen drive. So what I can do is I'm gonna change the drive letter and click OK. And tada! It came. And if in case you have an antivirus, it'll definitely ask you to scan the external drive. You should click scan now because you just now restored the drive to its original condition. Who knows what could be there in it. And yeah, scan's done. And with this we come to the end of this short tutorial. You can try this and I can guarantee you it will work. But if it's not, you can always try other methods to restore the drive to its original condition. And to confirm it has worked, I'm gonna fetch a file and I'm gonna drop it here. Yes, it worked. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.